Hello everyone, this is Geethapriya from RMDEC Engineering College. In this lecture, we will be discussing about handover in GSM from mobile computing. So handover is nothing but when one cellular system moves from one cell to the other, the signal should be handover from one BTS to the other. To make it simple, from this diagram we can see that we are having two cells, cell 1 and cell 2, so two BTS, BTS of cell 1 and BTS of cell 2. Now your mobile station or your mobile phone is connected to cell 1. So the BTS from cell 1 is providing you the signal for your mobile phone, and you're moving from one cell to the other, you're moving from one region to the other. So this particular BTS will not be able to provide you the same signal strength as you are in a roaming. So instead of providing signal from the same BTS, the BTS will be try to hand over your network to the nearby BTS for your mobile phone. So if you're moving towards cell 1 to cell 2, the cell 1 BTS will be handovering the network of your mobile phone to the BTS of cell 2. So this process will be called as a handover. This happens when you are in roaming. That is, you are connected to a call from one particular BTS. For example, you say BTS 1 and you are moving from one region to the other. BTS 1 is not able to provide you the same signal strength. So if the signal strength becomes weak, your call may cut off, or the call may end. So to keep the call connected, the BTS will be hand over your network to the nearby BTS depending upon the roamings. So this process is called as a handover. So two basic reasons for handover is you moves out from the range. That is, you moves out from the range of one BTS. So the nearby BTS will be connected to you. The second reason is one particular BTS will be able to balance a particular. So each BTS will be having some load balancing system. That is, a particular frequency will be allocated for the BTS. So if once the frequency, all the frequencies are occupied by the mobile stations, then that particular BTS cannot provide signal for a new mobile that is going to be connected. So in that case, it will be redirecting you to the next available BTS. So these are the two basic reasons of handover. And handover will be having three types. So here we'll be seeing the three types. The first one is inter-cell and intra-BSE handover. Inter means different and intra means same. So here inter-cell means different cell. That is, cell is nothing. The hexagon will be called as a cell. Each cell will be represented using a hexagon shape. So different cell but same BSE. In this example you can see that so from first hexagon or first cell, you're going to move to the next cell. So 1 to 2 you are moving. So here they are different cells. So that is inter cell but intra BSE. So here it is connected to BSE 1 and you're going to move to BTS 2. So both the BTS are connected to same BSE. So BTS or multiple BTS will be controlled by BSE, base station controller, and multiple base station controller will be controlled by mobile switching center. So this is the hierarchy. So mobile switching center will be handling particular BSE. So BSE will be handling particular BTS. So the first type is inter cell, that is different cell. Cell 1 to cell 2 you are going to move, but both the cells are connected to same BSE, that is your intra BSE. So this type is called as inter cell and intra BSE. So when you are moving from this cell to this cell, this BTS will be once the signal sends. So this is your MSE. The BTS will be providing you a signal. If the signal strength becomes weak, this BTS knows that you are in a roaming. So this BTS will inform the BSE to provide the nearby BTS to provide signal for your mobile phone. So this BSE will be allocating the nearby BTS for you to provide the signal. So once nearby BTS has been found by the BSE, your old BTS will hand over the network to the new BTS. This is the workflow, or this is the process of handover. So the next type is inter BSE and intra MSE. Here the BSE itself different. So from one BSE to other BSE you are going to move, but both the BSE are controlled by same mobile switching center, that is your MSE. So in this example we can take, you are moving from cell 1 to cell 3. So cell 1 has different BTS, different BSE, and cell 3 have different BSE, but both the BSE are controlled by same MSE. So this type is called inter BSE and intra MSE. Here also, so when you are moving, when you are in a roaming process, your cell 1, you are in cell 1 now, your MSE and BTS signal will become weaker. So the BTS will inform the BSE that the mobile station is roaming. So this BSE will be finding a nearby BTS. But here you are in cell 3 now, you are moving towards cell 3. So no nearby BTS can be allocated by this BSE. So this BSE will be informing to the MSE. So this MSE will be searching for the nearby BSE, and this nearby MSE will be searching for the nearby BTS. So in this case, your BSE will be handovering to the MSE, and MSE will be finding the new BTS. So from this BTS to the other BTS, new BTS, the signal will be handover. So this type is called as inter BSE and intra MSE handover. The last one is inter MSE, that is the MSE itself different. So in this example, you are moving from cell 1 to cell 4. Similarly, once a signal becomes weaker, your BTS comes to know and inform the BSE. BSE search for a nearby BTS, but it cannot provide a nearby BTS because the range is too far. So this will inform to the MSE. MSE also will search for the nearby BSE. From the BSE, it will be searching for nearby BTS. But this case also, your MSE cannot provide the nearby because the range is far away. So this MSE will be communicating to the nearby MSE, and the new MSE will be providing the BSE and new BTS. So this is how the last type works. So this is the different MSE itself. So these are the three types of handover which will happen. So we saw about what are the types of MSE and what are the situation that handover happens. Thank you.